Hello traders, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I want to talk about three things. Number one, how to identify structure, how explicitly structure to its T. So how to know how the market moves, guys. And number two is to show you the update, my update on the 50k FTMO challenge. Did I pass it? Did I not pass it? Find out in this video. And number three is the new 100k FTMO challenge that I've just started. One that is in good profits, guys. So let's find out about this in this video. But guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe below there. Make sure that you comment if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you can ask me any questions in the comments, and I'll in the comments below, and I'll be able to answer any questions. Please guys, just stay tuned to the end of this video, and you are going to be able to see everything, all updates, just like I bring them, guys. Thank you. All right, just a quick one here. When the market is trending to the upside, you don't want to be selling. All you're looking for here is buys, and there's nothing else to that. It's creating higher low here, higher high, and a higher low. It's creating another higher high and a higher low. This market has never broken below this. It's respecting structures, bullish structures. It came and made a higher high. At this level, we are still looking for buys. Here, at all these levels, you'll be looking for buys, looking for buys, looking for buys, looking for buys. And again, it doesn't matter which result you're going to get, but using the numbers, you can be sure that you're going to be making good, at least to be right, on the right side of the market. So when it came here, it failed to take out this high. See? It came here, created a level, confirmed this level, but failed. This is a sign that the bulls are depleting in pressure, and therefore the bears, and therefore the bears are stepping in, or perhaps the bulls are taking profit. And from that, at that time, you need to be staying out of the market. It's now ranging. You see, the market is not making any highs. It's not breaking these lows. It's not range. It's just ranging. It's not going anywhere. So what do? You just don't do anything. You just don't do anything. All right? Now, after all that, when the market now decides to break structure, like it is doing here, it decides to break this structure, breaks to the lower side. What are you looking for? You're looking for sales. Looking for sales. Market, there was a high here. It broke the structure, created a lower low. It created a level here, came back and retested that level. And what do? You come here. What do? You place a sell stop and a stop loss just above this previous high, and the risk reward of 1 to 3, and you're good to go, man. You know what? I always say something, that trading is simple, trading is easy, but traders make it hard and traders make it difficult. They just make it complicated. It's about knowing the structure of the market, the behavior of the market, what the market is doing here and now. It doesn't matter whether we're going to win this trade or we're going to lose this trade. All that matters is one thing: we are doing the right thing. So we're going to wait. We'll be going break even when the market we'll be going break even when the market comes to such a level around this area here of the market. We'll go break even, and we'll let it run to a 1 to 3. To that 1 to 3. Yes, traders. This is the 50K FTMO challenge that I wanted to show you in the updates. So this account, by the end of the other week, we were already up 7.7%. We're up 7.7% on the account. So but by the end of this week, we have lost 1% from that. So we are currently at the account is currently at 6.6% up in profits. So guys, which means we lost 1% from our profits for this week. The week was emotional. The week had a lot of hurdles and struggles, and the week in general in the market, it wasn't so much favoring this strategy that I am using. But anyway, I've seen that it has happened to my trading in a long period of time. I have had bad weeks, I've had good weeks, I've had great weeks. So this is just part of the weeks that I have always traded in my trading usually. So guys, I wanted to show you the trades we took. So one of the trades we took is the Aussie USD one. So we took this trade on Monday, and unfortunately we took a stop loss, which is inevitable. So we came back on Tuesday. We took another trade on Euro Aussie. We took one stop loss. I always want to remind you traders that I only take a maximum of 2 stop losses in a day, and I don't care whether they are in a row or they are dispersed. Once if I take a stop loss, then I win, and another stop loss, I stop trading. The moment I take a second stop loss in a day, I stop trading. I don't trade anymore. I will come back the next day because it exists. So we came back again on Wednesday. We took another stop loss. Did you see that? We took another stop loss. 3 stop losses in a row. But not in one day, in 3 days, guys. That's the difference. So we came back on Friday, guys. We came back on Friday, again on Euro Aussie. We took some winners. And again, these winners on Euro Aussie, I want to talk about them. I took smaller positions. Remember, I always risk just 1%. But this time, we took smaller positions. So there was a mistake somewhere. I think I was in a hurry. Why? Because I've always said it that I trade at the same time I have a 9 to 5, and this is the reason for my doing this challenge, to make sure that at least I show traders that it can actually be possible for a trader to trade even when they have a 9 to 5. So we took these. Of course, sometimes you have those challenges because of time. You are trying to serve 2 masters at the same time. So the other thing is, then we ended the week with another stop loss. This stop loss right now. Now this stop loss, the way this stop loss came up is in such a way that we took this stop loss. It was not intended. We did not intend to take this stop loss, guys. Why? Because this stop loss had some issues in it, guys. This stop loss, I took it like without knowing. So I got filled into the trade. I don't know how it played around. And then I got filled into a trade. I don't know what happened, because guys, I even trade using strictly my phone. I don't have the time to go and look at the PC and the rest, because sometimes I'm at work and I'm busy. So that is what I wanted to show you. So this ended up the week minus 1% from the entire balance plus profits that we have had. So guys, the account balance currently, if I can show you, is currently at 3,300 US dollars. If you can look at it just down here at realized P&L, realized P&L, just down here, you are going to see it, this figure here. So which is 6.6%. So the other thing I wanted to show you is now the entire total profit, or the total account size currently, where it's standing. The total current profit is currently standing at this amount over here. If you can see the balance is currently at 53,300 US dollars. So guys, the other thing I wanted to tell you is that traders, I want you to please, I wanted to remind you that you see guys, I don't trade looking at 1 day or 1 week. Guys, my goals are big. My goals are around 53 weeks, even for the challenge, about 53 weeks. So I have, if you can look at it, it's just up here. You see what I do? I set my goal is 53 weeks, and then I risk just 1% to make around minimum of around 1,300 US dollars. So guys, that is what I do then. So on this particular challenge, we set a date on 15th of February. So it's ending on 15th of March 2022, of course. Then therefore, next week is arguably our last week of trading. We are expected to make something around let me see, 3.3% in 1 week, next week. So if by Friday we have not been able to pass this challenge, which is possible, or it is actually possible, or it may happen or it may not happen, we don't know, because it's the market that dictates. You see, some weeks I make 10%, I make 5%, I lose 2%. So I don't dictate what I make, guys. It's the market that dictates. So if by Friday we fail to make we fail to meet their target, and then we'll be left with only a Monday and Tuesday of the other week, if you look at the calendar. So therefore, by Friday, if it's not possible, we are going to write to FTMO asking them for an extension. Like, of course, FTMO has that provision, that new provision, where it gives you another 14 days extension, especially if your account, and if you are within the last 3 days, your account is above by 5%. Okay, so if by Friday our account is above 5%, we are going to ask for that extension of 14 days, 14 more trading days. So in that case, it means we are going to have this remaining 9 days, plus another 14 days, which is going to give us around 23 days, or I can put it as 20 trading days. Trading days, I count them as Monday to Friday. I don't count the weekends. So guys, this is the update on the 50k challenge. I also started another account, another 100k challenge, which I started on 28th of February of February, and I will give you some updates on it. Guys, I want to give you something to look at. I have traded these two challenges differently. I trade them completely differently. This account 50k is different from the other. So when I take trades, the trades I take on the 50k are not the trades I take on the 100k, because I want to distribute my risk. It's not the same. So I can end this on the 50k challenge. I can end it well for the week, while the other one may not perform well, and then the other weeks things keep alternating. That's the reason why to put as well my emotions in check. That's one thing that I do, because somehow the other account is playing out and the other is not. That is another way, by the way, to try to tame your emotions and try to put them in line. So the other thing is, so I'll try to show you the 100k challenge, and which is, by the way, which is currently up 4%. It is currently up 4%. So guys, let us try to go to the 100k challenge, and I show you what is in it. So traders, this is the 100k challenge that I started on 28th of February 2022. This account started with, of course, this is a 100k challenge. It's currently up 4.2%, and I think it is expiring around 29th of March. So guys, we still have time on this account. We have already traded it so far for 1 week, and we always have about just 20 trading days. So this 1 week we already up 4.2%. If you can see, we took some trades here starting on Monday, traded it. So we trade them, these accounts completely different from the other account. So again, I'm not saying the way I trade this account is better than the way I trade the 50k challenge. They are just the same. I just trade them. Some days the 50k challenge performs the way I trade the 50k challenge, such an account can perform much better. It can give you much better returns in a week than this one. Then sometimes the way I trade this one can. So the thing is not so much about it's not about the strategy, because the market conditions favor different accounts at different times. You cannot know. I cannot know it. So that's the reason why I trade like that. So so this account is currently up 4.2%. If you can see it just down here as realized P&L. We started, by the way, this account started with losses, just like the other account. So we started again with an Australian dollar, US dollar. We took a loss of 1,000 US dollars. We took another loss of almost 1,000 US dollars. Are you seeing, traders? Then we came up and traded US oil and made a profit of 2,300 US dollars. Are you seeing it up here? Okay, guys. So we continued. We went on, and then we took another trade after this US oil. We took another win on CAD yen and made another $2,300 or $2,260. Then we took, of course, I don't consider this as a loss because it's just small, it's very minimal. Then we took another loss on US oil. We took another loss on US oil again. So we took a loss of 990, which is again another 1,000 US dollar loss. Okay, guys. Then we took another win on Euro Aussie of 2,700. Then we took another stop loss on again oil of 1,000. Then we ended the week on Friday with a small win of 1,000 US dollars. Sometimes the reason why I take these small wins is not because that is my risk reward. It's not this is not my reward. This means I've closed the trade prematurely because of the news, and this was a day when we had NFP yesterday on Friday. So we had NFP, which forced me to close the trade early. I have a swing account. The 100k is a swing account, but guys, you as a trader, you must be able. I'm a completely technical trader, but I have to open my eyes open when we have major news coming up, because major news is a huge impact. I don't like trading news. So that's even the reason why I don't trade the other account, the other type of account, but I trade a swing account. So guys, I'm going to make sure that I keep you updated on this 100k challenge. Okay, so currently, if you can see, we are up 4,200. Again, if you can see it just here at the right bottom of this account, if you can see just down here, you are going to see it is 1,000. It is 104,200 US dollars. And again, if you can see this side, what I always show you. Okay, are you seeing? Again, it is in 52 weeks. That's my goal. I am risking 1,000 to make about 2,500 on this account, particularly. So, guys, I want to also show you this. I want to show you, because this account I manage it so directly myself. So, the account is currently with this. Of course, this is exactly just what I was explaining. We started with a drawdown. This is a dashboard. Started with a drawdown up to this amount. So then the account picked up with time. So we don't know, but of course, if you're trading well, you will get stop losses, you will get losing trades, you will get winning trades and break-even trades. And I take very many break-even trades. So we have it is the 29th of March. It is when our challenge is expiring. We're already 5 days into the account. The minimum is 10 days. We had maximum daily loss was 1,000, is currently at 1,000, almost 800. Then of course maximum loss is 2,800. So already it's still passed, and of course we have still passed these ones, which are major, the daily loss and the maximum loss. But the target, we have yet reached the target. So guys, I don't want to stress a lot of things. That is just what I wanted to show you guys. So I think there's nothing much about that. So guys, please don't forget, remember to subscribe so that you can be able to catch all these videos every time I release them, all updates. Guys, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure that you comment. If you like it, ask me questions. I'll make sure that I answer every question that you ask me. And then the other thing is, if you like the video, please smash the like button. And that is to be good for me, especially with the YouTube algorithms, so that you can be able to spread the word of trading and make sure that at least a lot of people can possibly move out of the other side of the world and try to trade even with a 9 to 5, guys. So I will not say a lot about these other things. Okay, I will not say a lot. I just want to make sure that, guys, you stay well, and guys, peace. Thank you so much.